Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious vegetable egg fried rice from scratch. We will begin by gathering all our ingredients and preparing them properly. This includes having about 3 cups of cooked, chilled rice, 2 large eggs, and your favorite fresh vegetables like carrots, peas, and corn. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion for maximum flavor. Next, heat a large wok or pan over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Quickly scramble your 2 eggs until just set, then remove them and set aside. Now, add another tablespoon of oil and sauté the minced garlic and onion until they become fragrant, which takes about 30 seconds. Then, add your diced carrots, peas, and corn, cooking them for about 3 minutes until slightly tender. Now it's time to add the star of the show, your chilled, cooked rice. Make sure to break up any clumps with your spatula as you stir it into the vegetables. Next, pour in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that classic fried rice flavor. Continue to stir-fry everything together for about 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Finally, return your scrambled eggs to the pan with the rice and vegetables. Give everything a gentle toss to ensure the eggs are evenly distributed throughout the fried rice. For a fresh touch, garnish your masterpiece with some chopped green onions. Your homemade vegetable egg fried rice is now ready to be served immediately. Enjoy this quick, flavorful, and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.